Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a search bar in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you can create a simple search bar that lets you type a keyword and automatically displays matching results from your data. Now, let's go ahead and put in some data. So I'm going to put in this example. Now I want to go ahead and just align it a bit better. And also, I don't want this top row, so I'm just going to delete this and move this up one. And now the header, I'm just going to make this bold. And then from here, you want to choose a cell where you want your search bar. So for example, I'm going to choose E1 here. And F1, leave this cell empty. This is where you type your search. So for example, your sheet would look like search and then search for Apple. Now we need to add a result area. So in E3, what I'm going to put in is search results. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in, search results. And then in E4, I want to go ahead and enter this formula. It's quite long, so you might want to take a screenshot. So go ahead and put this formula in, and then go ahead and hit enter and test it. You're going to see the search result here. It's going to be apple, fruit, and this is $2. Now the matching result will automatically appear below. Now, how to use this. So come up to here and then we can change apple. So if I go ahead and type in carrot, hit enter, it's going to put the search here, carrot, what type of category is it, and the price.